Hello friends, today I will introducing how gold recovery from IC chips. These IC chip samples are industrial waste. I have shown an example of removing the IC chip from the electronic circuit board. I collected the IC chip from various electronic circuits 1 kilogram. Today I will recover all gold from IC chip. Gold wire is indeed used in integrated circuit IC chips, particularly in the packaging and bonding processes. Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity and is highly resistant to corrosion, making it an ideal material for such applications. In IC manufacturing, gold wires are used to connect the semiconductor die to the package leads, providing electrical connections within the chip. These wires are typically very thin, often on the order of micrometers in diameter, due to the precision required in modern semiconductor technology. I use 2 liters of sulfuric acid boiled with 1 kilogram of IC chip use at a temperature of 80 to 90 Celsius. Wear the protective clothing could include gloves, protective eyewear, a mask, a long-sleeved shirt and long pants. Take precautions to avoid exposure by the principal routes, that is, contact with skin and eyes, inhalation, and ingestion. If some gold wires will go with black acid, then you can recover them from second pot after pouring. Wash carefully IC chips with water 3 times. The purity of 9 karat CT gold is 37.5% pure gold. The karat measurement refers to the proportion of pure gold in an alloy out of 24 parts. 24 karat gold is 100% pure gold. The purities for some common gold alloy carats are 24 karat equals 100% pure gold, 22 karat equals 91.7% pure gold, 18 karat equals 75% pure gold, 14 karat equals 58.3% pure gold, 10 karat equals 41.7% pure gold, 9 karat equals 37.5% pure gold. So 9 karat gold consists of 37.5% gold mixed with other metals like silver, copper, nickel, etc. to give it more durability and variation in color compared to pure 24 karat gold. I use nitric acid mixed with water, ratio 1:1, get rid of the remaining metal. Gold alloys below 9 carats, like 8 karat or less, are not commonly used in jewelry as they have too little gold content and different metallic properties. But 9 CT gold is one of the lower purity alloys still used to make some affordable gold jewelry. You will receive a gold wire along with a piece of fiber. I use Aqua regia gold extraction for gold wire along with a piece of fiber. Use nitric acid and hydrochloric acid mix 1:3 ratio. If you are interested in recycling gold from Ewaste, here are some recommended steps to get started. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about the processes involved in separating gold from e-waste, such as disassembly, destruction, and chemical leaching, and purification. Understand the safety precautions and environmental regulations related to the management of electronic waste and hazardous materials. Consider taking a course or workshop on precious metal recovery and e-waste recycling. 2. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Check with your local authorities regarding required permits for handling, transporting, and processing e-waste. You may need permission for hazardous waste management, air emissions, water emissions, and other environmental compliance. 3. Sources of electronic waste. Build relationships with businesses, organizations, or individuals that create e-waste, e.g., computer repair shops, data centers, schools, etc. Make sure you have enough e-waste to make the recycling process economically feasible. 4. Set up a facility or workspace. Identify suitable locations for your recycling operations, taking into account zoning rules and proximity to residential areas. Prepare your facility with the necessary equipment for disassembly, destruction, and chemical processing. Carry out ventilation, waste management, and appropriate safety measures. 5. Consider partnering or outsourcing. If a complete recycling plant cannot be started, consider partnering with an existing e-waste recycler or precious metals refinery. Use sodium metabisulfide precipitate gold out of the Aqua regia solution. You can outsource the processing and refining of chemicals to specialized companies. 6. Develop a business plan. Conduct market research to understand the demand for recycled gold and potential buyers. You will get gold sludge powder, then clean the gold sediment, dried and melted into cubes. Estimate related costs, including equipment, labor, transportation, and compliance. Set your pricing strategy and revenue model. 7. Seek advice from experts. Consult with experts in e-waste recycling and precious metal recovery. Seek advice from regulatory agencies, environmental consultant, and industry associations. The important thing to know is that recycling gold from e-waste can be a complex and potentially dangerous operation. Sprinkled a little borax powder. Certification of compliance with relevant laws and regulations, using appropriate safety measures, and seeking professional advice is an important step to take before taking this step. Starting small and gradually scaling up your operation as you gain experience and resources may be a more practical approach, especially if you are new to the e-waste recycling industry. Check out our other videos to increase your knowledge. I received 2.3 grams of gold from MIC chips, 1 kilogram raw materials, extracted from various circuit boards. I hope you like our videos. Please apply for membership and share our videos to cheer. Thank you very much.